All right, so we finally have a tenant moving in. Right now I have PP&L coming. Let's see what this measures. $32 to be safe. And this way, 32 with the handles. So that would be 32, almost 33. Should go. 31. All right, so the fridge didn't go out this door. That was 31. So I had to remove the doors, which are just basically removing those two, unplugging that, removing those two, and it lifted right off. So, all right, let's put this here so they know it's pickup paper. This is the tenant. Let's see if we can get that inside. Let's see what hers measures. $30.5 to be safe that way. And 31.5 that way. I forgot the handles. Yeah, if there's handles, pretty much against the siding. So 32. Again, this opening's 30. 30. Let the doors off, no problem. It's 28. If we don't have water, we're in good shape. We are. No water. All right, let's get it out here. All right, so this random fridge, I don't know where she got it, but it's a TFX 20JA. And the one I just removed is a TFX 20JR. How about that? All right, let's get these doors off. I always like to screw these in a little bit. I moved a lot of refrigerators, and sometimes when you jiggle it around, that it's almost like a styrofoam plate with threads on it can get jiggled loose. All right. We got the washer out, got the dryer out. Put their fridge in, gonna leave the stove, fix the light. All right, let's see if we can, excuse me. Let's see if we get this lease on the track that it looks closed. I'll pull these both closed. We need a downspout. All right, let's get this done. All right, we got these down, at least it's secure. I didn't film it. It was just a lot of beating, and some of these were out. I was able to find the wheels. They were laying around here, but some of them, I just took the, tighten these back up. I just took these off, slid them in. Some of them I just beat in pried, but the track is pretty bad. There's no spring on this one. As you can see, the spring broke. So when you lift this one, that's the most operational one. This one I actually unhooked the springs. And again, I found all of them. So it's secure. It's actually locked. It's actually in the lock position, but yeah, so that's it. I could put something in here now. It's kind of secure. I actually thought about tearing this down, pouring a slab, and putting a Gabriel size shed with a see this. Okay, so at least that locks. We still have to clean this up so it can be mowed. Spray some grass killer here. All right, we're up here in the second floor bath. This toilet absolutely stinks. This one unit toilet. So I'm gonna replace it with a toilet in a kit box. So I'm not gonna bore you with watching me replace it unless I run into any problems, but get this off, measure the hole. It's probably standard 12 inch from the wall. We'll go get a new one. All right, we got the toilet in the tub, and we got a 12-inch center toilet. All right, so let's get that emptied out and outside and go get a toilet in a box, they're called. All right. There's that, okay. Looks good, no leaks. Back at the rental, when I was putting the gutter on, because we had to patch that roof, I actually broke the light fixture here. So let's see what we can do to fix it. And that's cracked. So let's get them fixed. See if this will go back in there. I am just gonna do the old fill it. Probably should have cut that all out because it seems very, we'll let that dry like that.
The other hole